Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here today. Today I have a new box to the channel, and that is my GlobeIn box. GlobeIn contacted me and asked if I would like to receive a box for review, and I thought it would be a fun new box to try, so let's get in here and see what we've got. So since this is a new box to the channel, I want to give you guys a little bit of information before we get started. I will put a link below, and if you use my promo code, which is KathRINMCCARTY, it's not real secretive, you will get 50% off the price of your first box if you sign up for a 3-month prepaid subscription. So you will get 3 months worth and you will have 50% off your first box. When they made me the offer, I went out and checked them out, and I've seen people unbox it in the past, but what really drew me to them, other than just the great products that they have, is it's kind of like some of the other boxes that you've seen me do. I'm really drawn to the boxes that give back. And that's what this box is all about. So I wrote down a few details that I wanted to be sure and mention to you guys. The box is unique and ethically made products that are handmade by artisans around the world. And the beauty is they are creating jobs that are giving people fair wages. They have 10,000 plus artisan partners in more than 50 countries, and they put in more than 1 million hours worth of work last year. And that's just, I mean, think about the global impact of that. That's just fantastic. So the beauty of this is it comes out monthly, and every month you go in and you can preview that month's boxes. But if none of those boxes speak to you, there are other boxes that you can pick. So you go in and you have control over what you get each month. So I love the idea of that control over the box, being able to pick what I know I'll use, because then there's no waste. So when they reached out, they had me go in and pick out one of their artisan boxes. So I picked the Epicure box. Am I the only one that feels like all I have done for the last 2 months is cook? I was just really drawn to anything that was going to add something fun and new in the kitchen. Let's get this open and see what's inside. It's so exciting because I've never had one of these boxes. When we open it up, that is what the inside looks like. So pretty. And we have our little pamphlet that I'm hoping is going to tell us everything about all of the products that we have in here. And then when we open this, everything is really wrapped. I folded that over so you can see some of it, but it's all really wrapped well. So let's dig right in. Don't you just love new things? This feels like Christmas. All right, let me get my glasses because I suspect we're going to have some reading. This actually says that it is for the Epicure box. So this pamphlet is the one they actually made for this box specifically. I love that. On the inside it says, writer Virginia Woolf once proclaimed, one cannot think well, love well, sleep well if one has not dined well, to which this box proclaims, hear, hear. Indeed, what if the path to our highest good really were through following our pleasure? Spoiler alert, I think that's what's in the box. So let's just take what is right on top. It's wrapped really well in the tissue. Oh, it's so pretty. It's a piece of wood. I suspect I'm using it for a charcuterie tray or a little cheese board. It is so pretty. I love how well done it is. It's very smooth. You know, sometimes these can be rough, but this doesn't feel like, you know, sometimes with cheese boards, once you put the cheese on it, you feel like it's going to stain it because it's rough. This just feels really smooth, like they've put some kind of oil on it. Feels nice. The paperwork says, serve up cheese and hors d'oeuvres in this rustic style with your new cheese board carved from soft neem wood. It is 8 inches long and is hand wash only. And this is handmade in India. So that is so pretty. Perfect for my husband and I. All right, reaching in next. Oh, going with it. How cute is this? It's a little cheese knife, and it looks like a mouse. So with the little tray, that's so cute. Let's see what it says about it. It says that the mouse cheese knife was also handmade in India. It is 7 inches long and 1 inch wide, and it is stainless steel. Oh, that's good to know. And it's dishwasher safe. That's awesome. And through all of this, they give us lots of information. See how pretty it looks? But they give us lots of information on all of the products. Okay, reaching in next. I think I have 2 of these. All right, guys, good for them. This took me a few minutes to get unwrapped. I have 2 beautiful glasses. How gorgeous. Let me see if I can get a good background for that. How gorgeous is that? I think they're like hand-blown glasses. We'll read about them in just a second. But they're each just a little bit different because they're hand-done. So pretty. I love those. The paperwork says that it is handmade in Mexico. It is 4 inches tall and it is recycled hand-blown glass. Used only for room temperature or chilled liquids. Not designed for hot liquids. Hand wash. These are just so pretty. How gorgeous out in the summer on the back porch with a nice glass of wine. Those are beautiful. And last but not least, I have a cute little basket. It is so cute and it has a little lid. Look how cute he is. Oh my goodness. With some little lippies in it or cotton balls or something. How cute is that? Let's put the little lid on. That is so pretty. I have to start changing some of my background here to show some of this stuff because I like that. This is also handmade in Mexico. It is 4x4. It is made of palm leaf and they say to wipe it clean. I just love that. That is so pretty. All right, so that is what I received for my first GlobeIn box. And this is, again, this is a box that I chose. It was called the Epicurean box because it came with this really sweet basket, these 2 hand-blown glasses, so pretty, this adorable little mouse cheese knife, and the cheese board to go with it. These are so cute. Okay, the details again, if this is something you have any interest in, I will put the link below, and with the code KathrinMCCARTY, if you sign up for a 3-month or more subscription, you will get 50% off your first box. If you do the boxes as individual boxes, they are $40 per month. If you do them as a 3-month subscription, it comes down to $38 per month. And if you do them as a 6-month subscription, it comes down to $35 per month. And if you sign up for a year in advance, it comes down to $33 per month. There is shipping on top of that though, but I think that this is an absolutely adorable box. Be sure and let me know what you guys think below. Is this something you want to keep seeing on the channel? Do you think it's something you have any interest in? I want to thank GlobeIn again for sending this to me. It was so nice to try a new box, and I love supporting the boxes that support the greater world community. It's just something I can totally get behind. Thanks again for coming by, guys. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Take care, guys.